Hey everyone. Welcome to my 1-year update on my ketogenic diet journey. If you're new here, I started the keto diet about a year ago, as a way to improve my overall health and well-being. Before I get into my results, I want to make it clear that the keto diet isn't for everyone, and it's important to consult with a medical professional before making any significant changes to your diet. That being said, the keto diet has worked wonders for me and I wanted to share my experience with you. So, what is the keto diet? It's a low-carb, high-fat diet that aims to get your body into a state of ketosis, where it's burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This is achieved by drastically reducing your intake of carbohydrates and increasing your intake of fats. Now, on to my results. The first thing I noticed when I started the keto diet was an increase in energy. I no longer had those mid-afternoon crashes, and was able to power through my workouts with ease. In terms of weight loss, I was able to shed a significant amount of pounds and inches, especially in my midsection. But the keto diet isn't just about weight loss. It's about overall health. My cholesterol levels and blood pressure have improved, and I've noticed a significant reduction in inflammation throughout my body. One thing to note is that the keto diet can be challenging at first. It requires a complete overhaul of your eating habits, and there is a learning curve when it comes to meal planning and grocery shopping. But once you get the hang of it, it becomes a sustainable and enjoyable way of eating. In conclusion, the keto diet has been a game changer for me. It has not only helped me to reach my weight loss goals, but has also significantly improved my overall health. If you're considering the keto diet, I highly recommend doing your research and consulting with a medical professional before starting. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this update helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've had success with the keto diet. To get the perfect plan for losing weight and the keto diet, the link is below the video.